Hey people, so this video I need to make to kind of state that why I sit and watch Japanese shows and in fact Malayalam, Telugu, all these different languages because these shows, because at the end of all this lockdown period I want to have been able to learn a new language. Because and honestly, yeah, sometimes that's what watching something mindlessly kind of calms the mind, right? So you might as well watch it in another language and learn a new language. So for me that language is Japanese. I want to learn Japanese, and that's why I watch a lot of, like, I binge watch. I force myself also sometimes just to watch Japanese, because if you're anyway watching something on TV or on your phone or something, you might as well watch it of a different language that you can learn, you know. And it gives you a glimpse into the kind of culture that is. No, yeah, for me this group called Happy Science is something I'm very interested in, and I hope to see a future with them. So like I want to do that. Happy Science is like the Isha Yoga of Japan, or it's the art of living of Japan. So that's what I like, the ideas that are spread by Happy Science. I'd like to spread those ideas, so I want to learn Japanese. That's why I watch Japanese shows. It's already crossed a 1 minute video, but I felt I had to make this. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.